Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Generate Avatar for TikTok Thoughts. Now to generate avatar for TikTok Thoughts, all you have to do is go ahead and open your profile icon. From there, tap on this pencil icon or the edit your profile option. Now once you head there, you should be able to find this option called AI Self. Go ahead and tap on it. From there you will be sent to this new option called Take a Selfie to create your AI Self. Now once you go ahead and tap on this Create AI Self and take a picture, you should be able to generate your avatar. Now once you have created your base or choose your avatar, you can describe the particular mood on this search bar. You will be able to find it once you click your photo, and all you have to do is once you describe your mode, the avatar will be created according to your specific mood explanations, and all you have to do is tap generate and save it. And once you save it, what you can do is select your favorite and tap done to set it as your current status for 24 hours. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.